YouTube expands pre-published checks to catch more violations before videos go live. YouTube is expanding its pre-published checks tool so that it now warns creators about potential violations of community guidelines before videos go live. The update aims to help reduce unexpected strikes or removals by flagging problematic content early in the upload process. Broader screening before publishing. Launched in 2021, YouTube's pre-published checks originally scanned uploads for issues like copyright infringement and ad suitability concerns. The newly expanded version now includes checks for content that may violate community guidelines, such as hate, harassment, graphic content, or other disallowed material. When creators upload a video, the system runs analysis automatically. If it detects potential problems, YouTube displays a warning, allowing creators to review or edit the video before it becomes public. The feature acts as a preventive measure, rather than waiting for user reports or algorithmic detection after publishing. To help you avoid the frustration of a removal or strike, we've been testing a new feature that checks for some community guidelines violations in the video upload flow, similar to copyright and advertiser-friendly guidelines checks, YouTube wrote on its blog post. Early testing phase. The feature is still in a testing period, and not all creators will see the updated options yet. YouTube acknowledges that some errors are inevitable, which may lead to false positives or missed issues. Even so, the early warning approach could help creators avoid penalties they did not realize they were at risk of triggering. While the system is meant to catch a wider range of issues, YouTube notes that it is not comprehensive. Some violations may still go undetected. The update is intended to assist creators, but not replace the need to remain familiar with platform policies.